Hi and welcome back. So today we have a fun one. This is Lego Creator 40700. This is actually a gift with purchase. And it is the holiday train. Winter holiday train, it's called. Winter holiday train. I think it's going to be a fun little build. We're going to build it right on camera. It is 294 pieces. It is not suitable to put on tracks. You can't motorize it. It's too narrow. It would go in between the tracks, and also the wheels are not right, but it's just a fun decoration. So yeah, we're gonna build it. It looks good. It's got a cool picture of the train on the front. On the back, it shows the train with some more detailed pictures. Shows you what one of the wheels, the size is gonna be on the top, and then on the one side there's a photo, and then the other two sides, not much. So we're gonna open this up, and we're gonna build it right here. So let's see what we got here. Okay, well, I should have had it open. Man, they really taping this thing shut. Wow. There we go. Okay. Okay, so what do we have? We've got a two-part instruction. Why do I find that weird for such a small model? What is the number 2? Oh, for the different train cars. Okay. And there is a 1, a 2, and a 3. 3 bags. We're going to dig into bag 1 and instructions 1. We're going to start building. So let's do this. So we've got bag 1, then the small parts. Oh, we're running away. So I'm hopeful that it's going to be each bag is a train car, but I don't know if that's true or not. We will see. So that means hopefully bag 1 is the locomotive, but I don't know if that's true. So here we go. All right, so this looks like it's going to be a fun little build, I hope. I'm going to have fun with it. Hopefully you guys have fun watching. I'll tell you this, the small manual, it's hard to get it to unfold flat, so I can do this while I'm making the video, but we got it working. Okay, so the gold stripe is obviously going to be from all these little guys, and then we need 6 more of them. 1. Oh, I see how. Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. There we go. So we've got a gold stripe going. Let's go to the next page. 1. The print quality in the book, there's some staining on the photo. It's like off color. See if I can show it to you. I don't know if you'll be able to see that there, but the color is weird. So I've never seen that in a Lego book, so I don't know if they have changed something the way they print, but that is very, very unusual for a Lego instruction book. To be honest, I'm pretty shocked about it. I've never encountered that in an actual Lego book. So, definitely weird. One thing, there are no decals in this set, which is really nice for a free gift with purchase set. I mean, I'm glad that there's no stickers, because I kind of really hate stickers. I never get them exactly right, and it ruins a perfectly nice model. And I think for what Legos cost, they should only do pre-printed pieces, because it's a little, in my opinion, a little ridiculous that they don't. And they use, some sets are how many stickers, it's ridiculous for the price. I mean, really crazy. If you watch my video about the Jaws ship, the Orca, man, oh man, there was a crazy amount, and it was $150. That should never have that many stickers at that price. That's just unbelievably ridiculous. I will also say some of these don't feel, I mean, super tight. Kind of surprised. This is a Lego set, not, you know, I don't know. I'm surprised about a lot of things with this so far, but we'll see. 6 of them, 2, 4, 6, okay. So, excuse me. Do 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 do. All right, let's see. So this is a pretty easy, straightforward, nice little build so far. I mean, it's nice. And it looks like it's going to be, like I thought, each bag will be a car, which is, I mean, a nice way that they did it, separated it. Okay. We're getting some of the little embellishments on, which is nice. But you got to make sure they're really straight. They don't line up. That's kind of weird. At all, actually. How is that happening? Well, we'll see, but they don't line up. But there's some of the embellishments. But if you look, these studs are not lining up, and I don't understand why. They're in, so, well, maybe. Do they line up? I guess they do line up. It's just an optical illusion. We'll find out when I put something on top of them, won't we? Oh, we got gauges. Let's see. So how do they want this? With this, like that. And they have to face where? Back like that. Is there another one? There is. Like that. And like that. Alright, so we've got our little... Okay, and then just 2 more with nothing on them. Here and here. Alright. Here we go. The roof parts. And it looks like everything does line up. We've got the rear of the train. Pretty cool, of the engine, I should say. Now we're going to put some wheels on. Now these wheels, I'm noticing, have different patterns, so you do have to make sure you get them flipped right. I mean, it's pretty obvious, but well, here, I'll show you. There's the pattern you want out, and here's what it looks like on the other side. I'm not sure you can see that. Hopefully you can. So, but it's, I mean, it's obvious. It's not a big deal. I'm not telling you anything that's not obvious. Okay, now. For those, I mean, we're running out of parts here, so it looks like, unless bag 1 is not the entire locomotive, which it might not be, it doesn't look like it might not be here, because the smaller wheels look like they're the same on both sides, so those don't matter. All right. Okay, we've got the front wheels attached. Let's see. Three? Oh, because one goes here. Okay, so now we want, oh, this is interesting, like that, and then that, and then they go here. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, this, I'll tell you, bag one is definitely not the entire engine, that's for sure. And then two of these. Okay. Okay, oops, let me straighten these by doing that. Okay, and then we're gonna put four of these in here, up against it like that. How? The question now is, there is a specific way, and I believe it's like that. I think. Okay. Well, okay, it's not, there we go. Alright, pretty cool. Pretty neat. And now we're ready for bag two, according to the instructions. I think I just dropped something. I hope not, but I'm gonna have to go take a look, because I think I did. Thought I felt something hit my knee and then bound off somewhere. Let's see. All right, well, hopefully I didn't, because I can't find anything, so we'll see. All right. Okay, well. What am I looking for here? Oh, gold. Well, I guess it's not gold, it's tan, but that's the piece, so. Oh, wait a minute. Skipping a step here. Wow, Butterfingers. All right, next. Pretty fun or interesting building techniques so far. At least I think so. It's neat. It's coming together pretty cool. And then I'm guessing this is going to get topped off with all the curved pieces very shortly. So we have this and this. That's kind of weird, but don't love that. And 8 of these. All right, so now the body is coming together of the locomotive. It's curved, as you can see. It's not on the locomotive yet, but it's coming together. So it's 2 of these black ones, which is the, I guess, boiler, which is cool. Okay, I need this and this. Oh, wait. Aha. What are they? Oh, these guys. It is these. All right. That's actually cool. They look awesome. Well, that's weird, but I'm not sure how that's going to go. Oh, okay. Not what I thought was going to go, but very much cooler than what I did think was going to go. Cool. Okay, now we are going to now build, let's see, that, and then which one of these? That one. And it's going to go over here. I'm not exactly sure how or where, but I guess like that. Is there any other way it could go? Like it could go like that, or it lines up. Let's see. Yeah, it lines up. Okay, we're gonna make it line up because it looks like it lines up. All right, the other side. Okay. Need to see this up closer. Well, here comes the smoke. That's pretty cool. I like that little touch. Now we need this and this, which somehow is going to go, okay, there you go. There's the explanation of the front, how that's going to go. Now this is probably just going to fit on here and be complete, which it looks like it is. But is it? Looks like it. There we go. We've got a complete locomotive. Very, very cool. Very nice. Okay, so now we're on to building the smaller gift car. Again, we've got some print issues here with the tint is off. Again, very weird. You don't see that with Lego instructions, and it's I don't know, interesting. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do this and then this. There we go. That's how that's going to work. 61, 62. Now I may modify this because the instructions I'm just going to show you on the smaller car shows 6 wheels, but on the longer car it only shows 4, and I might reverse that. I might put 4 and then 3. Or not 4, 6. I might put. We're going to see. I'm going to build it the way it says to build it, and then I might adjust that and swap it. We'll see what looks better. We'll try it both ways. Because it's kind of weird that the longer car has less wheels, and I think it looks like off, and I want to see what it will look like the other way around. It may look better the way they did it. I'm not, but I don't know that, so I'll check. Yeah, because you're just putting these things on, so I can just pull one off and put it on the other one. We'll see. We'll see what we're going to do. Aha! I figured out what fell off the table earlier. It was one of the red wheels, so I do have to find it. So let's go see where the heck it is, because we can't build it without that. It's here somewhere. There it is. It was in the one place I didn't look, but when you know what you're looking for, it's much easier to find it, right? And there we go. We've got our little thing. Now we've got to make gifts to put on it. All right, do this twice. But, huh? Did I skip a page? Oh yeah, pages are stuck. I was like, wait a minute. Whoops. There we go. So bag 3 looks like it's just going to be the third car, the longer car. Come on. Which is the final instruction book as well. Yep. Okay, so let's see how this one's going to work. It's a fun little build, and like I said, for a gift with purchase, it's a nice one. I think it's one of the better ones. Cool little train set. Like I said, too small to fit on any kind of tracks. You couldn't motorize it or anything, but it's definitely neat. No. Let's see. Oh. Okay. All right, well, we've got that in. It's a nice, easy build anyway. So yeah, you see, you're gonna put, not a fan of the fact that there's only 2 wheels on this back one and 3 wheels on the other one. We're gonna try it, and then we're gonna see what it looks like if I swap it, because, well, let's see what I like better. Because you can, I mean, that's obviously, for me, that's the point of Lego. You know, you can do what you want as well, so. And if it looks goofy this way and better the other way, maybe we'll just change it. All right, okay, wheels. It's definitely doable. So, okay, so, and then let's see, like this. One gift. Two gifts, and they're gonna go where? Like that. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Like that. And like that. And then we're gonna take this and put 2 of these on it. And it's gonna go here. Okay. And then make 2 of these, which are gonna go there, so it looks, all right, let's see. That went on easy. Lined itself right up. Come on. Okay, nice. Now I think we're gonna make the little tree. In fact, I know we're gonna make the little tree. And this tree goes on a little spinny base for some reason, so it'll spin, which is interesting. I mean, it's not gonna automatically spin, but you can spin it, so that's kind of cool. So we're gonna put this on, and then we're gonna put this on, this on. It's an easy to build tree. This one, this. Tree's coming together quick. We're gonna be done with this train in about a second here. Oh, it's got a little star. Well, if I could do it right, I'd have a star. Let's line it up. Oh, that looks good. And it goes on there. And then this goes here. And then let's make sure that's the last page. Yep, that's it. So let's see, here we go. So there we go. And then, like I said, this tree can spin around. I will say what I wish is that you could have a star on both sides of this. Now, I wonder if there's a way I can make that happen. Probably not. No, because you can't, you'd need a double. Yeah, no, there's not a way. Maybe I could 3D print something that would do that. But there you go. So there's your train. Now, as you can see, we've got 3 wheels here, hopefully you can see, and 2 wheels here. So let's see. So that's what that looks like. Let's swap it and see if we like it better with 2 there. And 3 here. Now, I think that looks better. And it was no big deal. You just took this out, put the wheel, move it from here to the center there, and there you go. You've got your little train. There you go. So that is the winter, what is it called? Winter holiday train. Gift with purchase. I think it's great. It's a great little set. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet, consider clicking that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.